we're going to be demonstrating the switching time of an EZwindow when we reprogram an input channel from one input timing to another input timing. We achieved over a 50% speed improvement from basically about 800 milliseconds down to approximately 350 milliseconds. In our setup here, we will be using 3 quantum data video generators. The first video generator will be representing a symbology channel. On the monitor you'll see that as a green checkerboard with a circle in the center. It is running at 800 by 600, 60 Hertz. The second quantum data video generator will represent a sensor channel running at 800 by 600, 60 Hertz. It will be represented by a aqua bar moving across the screen. A third quantum data video generator, also representing a sensor channel, will be running 1024 by 768 at 60 Hertz. It will also be represented by an aqua color bar pattern moving across the screen. We have an oscilloscope connected to the output of the EZwindow. It is connected to the red video analog out of the EZwindow. We have a black box video matrix switch. It will be used to switch the 2 sensor channels from 800 by 600 to 1024 by 768. We will be sending batch files down to the EZwindow. In this batch file, when the input channel is programmed for a change, the video output of the EZwindow will be driven to a red field at the start of the switch. When the EZwindow has completed its programming, it will be turned off the red and back to the regular video. The timing on the oscilloscope will measure that time difference. This is the was condition of the EZwindow. I will first run an 800 by 600 timing into the input of the channel 2s with the symbology channel on channel 1. You saw the screen flash red during the switching, and you can see on the monitor how long that took. Measuring on the oscilloscope, you can see that that was measured to be about 790 milliseconds. I'm going to save the file. And I will clear the oscilloscope. I will now send a batch file to the EZwindow that will reprogram the video matrix switch to turn on 1024 by 768 and reprogram the input of the EZwindow to accept the 1024 by 768. You saw the screen flashed red again, and you can see the timing measured on the oscilloscope. That time looks to be about 790 milliseconds as well. I will save that file off. You can see by looking at the aqua bar moving across the screen that there's no tearing going on, and it is smooth with no stepping. We're now going to demonstrate the new firmware in the EZwindow. We added the new command to the unit. It's called the in-sync command. This allows us not to have to do a full apply on an input channel. Drastically improve the switching time. In this first case, it's going to be 800 by 600 running in on the channel 2, with the symbology still running at 800 by 600 as well. You saw the screen flash red instantaneously. And we're measuring about 340 milliseconds of switching time. I'll run now the batch file to switch in the 1024 by 768 into channel 2 via the black box. The screen went red momentarily. The scope reacquired. It's still running about 338 milliseconds. I will save this file off. The key thing to notice as well is that the moving bar has no tearing artifacts, stepping, or skipping.